In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to merge sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. This simple process helps you clean up your chart of accounts and consolidate similar categories, keeping your bookkeeping organized and accurate. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email and password to log into your QuickBooks account. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools and settings. Now, let's locate your chart of accounts, which is where the merging process takes place. Depending on your QuickBooks layout, you can find it by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner or by navigating through the settings menu. From the drop-down list, select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your existing accounts, both parent and sub-accounts. Take a moment to review this list and identify the two accounts you want to merge. You can use the search bar or scroll manually until you find the account you'd like to modify. Once you've found it, look to the far right side of that account row and click the drop-down arrow next to Run Report. From the menu that appears, select Edit. This opens up the Edit Account window where you can rename the account. Here's the key step. To merge two accounts, the name of one must match exactly with the other, including spaces, capitalization, and punctuation. Even the smallest difference will stop the merge from happening. So, carefully rename the account you're editing so it matches the target account's name word for word. Once you're sure the names are identical, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will then display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to merge these accounts. Since merging is permanent and can't be undone, take a moment to double check your work. If everything looks correct, click Yes, Merge Accounts to confirm. QuickBooks will automatically combine the data from both accounts, merging all their transactions and histories into one unified record. The result is a cleaner chart of accounts that's easier to manage and less cluttered. And that's it. You've successfully merged sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. This process is a simple but powerful way to keep your financial records neat and consistent, especially if you've accidentally created duplicate or overlapping categories. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more quick and easy QuickBooks tips. See you in the next one, and happy accounting.